Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll show you guys how to make a TikTok ads account and business center for free. So, we're going to want to get our ads placed on TikTok so we can achieve a nice ROI from our advertising efforts on the platform. So, let's just start off by following these steps. We're going to start out here on the TikTok for Business website. We're going to start by clicking on Start Now, located on the bottom left-hand side of this page. You'll see an option to then create an advertiser account using either your email or phone number. Of course, feel free to choose the option that works best for you. Then fill out the required information, including your email, password, and validation. Of course, make sure to check the validation box before proceeding. Then, on the next page, click the Sign Up button to move on to the next step. We're then going to be asked for some billing information. Simply choose your country, choose your industry, provide your business name and then set your time zone. Then, feel free to choose a telephone number to give. And also, ensure that you agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on the appropriate checkbox. Then finally, click on Submit to continue. On the next part, we're going to encounter the Setup Billing Information page. Simply choose your location details, and then choose whether you wish to make automatic or manual payments. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to opt for automatic payments. Then, we're going to click on Go to Ad Manager, and then here you'll arrive at the main page of your TikTok ad management section. I'm going to give you guys a brief overview of all the details that you see. The dashboard is where you'll view your campaign details and assets. The campaigns will show and create and manage your advertising campaigns. Assets will access any creative materials needed for your advertisements. And then reporting will track the performance of your ads. We can simplify the process by selecting Simplify mode on the right-hand side. Now, let's go through a step-by-step based on your advertising goals, such as website visits, community interaction, generation of customer leads, and even website conversions. As you can see, we have website visits selected, then click Continue at the bottom. You will then be presented with options for defining your ad audience, including location, demographics, interests, behaviors, and ad placement. Make sure to double-check and review your selections, then click on Continue. Then, set your budget based on your goals. For example, if I want a daily budget of this, enter that amount. Feel free to also schedule your ad campaign or choose to run it continuously. I would advise you to set an end date in order to not incur unforeseen charges. Then click on Continue. Now, we actually have the option to post with our TikTok account. If you are a company which already has a TikTok account, go ahead and log in here. Or log in with your personal account for a personal business need. You can also post with your TikTok ad management account. Feel free to upload your video or images, and on the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of your ad. And then once everything is ready, simply click on the Submit button at the bottom right to start running your TikTok ad. And then there are additional steps, but we won't go through all of them in this video. In fact, that's all the time we have in order to make a TikTok ads account and business center. If you have any other questions or inquiries with the steps I've shown you today, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.